welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kayla, and on this channel you will find the confidence on how to care for your houseplants. On this episode, we are going to be talking about 3 houseplants that are perfect for beginners. First up is the snake plant. There are over 70 different kinds of snake plants, and right in front of you there are 5 different kinds. Snake plants are one of the most easiest plants to care for and almost nearly impossible to kill unless you overwater it. Overwatering is the biggest issue with snake plants. They only need to be watered when the soil is completely dry. It is very important that you have well drainage soil and you also have a drainage hole in the bottom of your pot. These plants can survive in almost any light. They can go from bright light to indirect light to almost no light, which makes it one of the greatest plants for apartments or houses that have very little windows. Next up is the pothos, one of the most common houseplants that you see because it's so easy to maintain. Just like the snake plant, you only water it when the soil is completely dry and needs well drainage soil and a pot that has a drainage hole. These plants are perfect for hanging in your house, for sitting and letting the vines drape, and they are known for easy propagation, but we will get to that later. They can survive in any light. Bright light, low light, they'll thrive. They are the perfect houseplant for beginners. Our third and final plant is a ZZ plant. These are your low light friends. They are perfect for a bedroom or an office where there's not a lot of light or windows. These plants shoot out beautiful bright green leaves and then they turn dark green when they get older. These plants are the perfect beginner plant because you leave them and forget them and you only have to water them about once a month. It is better to forget about them than to overwater. These are the perfect plant for any beginner. The best part about all 3 of these plants is they give you oxygen. They are perfect for your bedroom because when you sleep at night, they will give off oxygen and help you sleep better. For more planting tips and plant fun, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.